In the past 10 years, Emdoor Information has insisted on continuous accumulation and innovation. We have always struggling for our target and have realized from the initial single product line to today's 3 major series of product lines. It is our ideal to build a global platform, improve the level of information, and build a digital world, to provide efficiency and stability for the application of the entire industry. This is what we have been doing. Our products are exported to many countries and regions around the world, delivering perfect solutions for thousands of industries. In Emdoor Information, you can see a group of people who constantly explore and innovate. They don't miss any of the subtle links, overcome difficulties whenever day and night just to find a breakthrough. They face up to challenges without fear of setbacks. They created today's Emdoor Information. In the future, we will continue to move forward and bring more and better products. Dream without fear, future without limits.